gonna do another whole unboxing thing since I don't know, it's like only my thing. It's my thing, so I want to personally show you what I ordered today, and I think you might like it and order a lot of too. So let's get on to it from Shopee, and it's really big. I mostly ordered notebooks, so this is the color that I bought from my previous video. See, so it's really sharp, so I would recommend it for 7 years old under. Yeah, that age I would recommend it. So you see there's two. I already moved the first package, is another one. This package is like this. It comes with a book. It's from Greece Market. I ordered multiple notebooks there since they're not so cheap, and I use all this for my daily allowance. You see, guys, the packaging is super dope. You see, another package inside a package and another package inside another. This is for the menu though. So I'm gonna open this part. It's really hard to open, guys. I would be careful since I have paper in it, so maybe I could consider the paper. Oh my gosh, guys! I really like how this thing looks. So well, I'm gonna remove it at the package, and yeah. So the first thing I ordered is this Ziploc bag. It's when you put it on the rings, you open it, you put stickers in it. I bought it down a card holder because I like the Ziploc bag. I can put my stickers in it. It's an 851 and it's 6 ring. This one is emoji stickers. I think it's very many, but it's very small. I don't know how many this thing is. So I'm shocked, guys. You see, it's really many. I thought it was like 5 pieces, but it's like 20 pieces already. I would recommend you to buy this if you want stickers. I have my sticker book, so I'm just gonna put it later. And this one, I told you I mostly bought notebooks. See, this one is an 856. This one is an 856 binder perfumes. It's really many. Like I bought 6 perfumes. I didn't expect it to be this thick. That's why I bought like these. I only have 2 816 binders, so 6 binders. So it's adjusted, but you can see it since this is the camera. So now you can see it. Okay. I really like it. It's just really cheap. So I bought many bit. This one is this one is very cute. This one is a sticker box. Same as my stickers. It has this mini plastic, and this one is a metal thing, or maybe it's plastic too. Yeah, it's over 60 elements. I really like how this thing looks. I'm gonna use this very often. Ta-da! You can see it, guys. It's very many. So I would recommend you to buy this thing, even though it's like expensive. It's 62 pesos, and it's expensive. Maybe I don't know which one is expensive in Steam, mid case or something. Okay. It's really cute. So I'm gonna use this very often. They have this box. It's a bit crumpled, you see, but I'm gonna use this. I don't know what is this thing. I don't know I ordered this thing. I don't know I ordered this thing, but maybe I just ordered a different one since it's supposed to be notebook. It's not notebook. This one is a cute heart clip. It's a cute heart clip. I only bought one since I want to try it only. It's really cute. I'm gonna order again. And this one is the grand finale. This, guys, is a 856 ring binder, and I really like it. It's like my first 6 ring binder. Even though I have binders already, this is my first metal binder. I really like it. So this thing comes with this sun off page. It's a refill page. I don't know what this thing, but I'm surely gonna keep this thing because it's sun off thing. So I also bought this thing, this roller thing. I think I'm gonna use it too. So I'm just gonna try this thing. Like one of it is a fail. It's supposed to be the binder thing, but it's just this thing. Oh no! I checked the ratings. It says it's really good, but it's not like these things. Oh, they just sell the plastic, not the thing. So I will make this video not very long enough. So I don't know if I'm gonna remove the plastic since it's very cute. I don't wanna remove the plastic, but I'm gonna remove the plastic. It's very hard to remove, so maybe I'm gonna remove it. So I personally don't have any experience of opening this thing and closing it. I saw some YouTube videos that that's just too hard. So get open. I'm very shocked. So, but the first thing I'm gonna put is this side of things. It's very cute, and I personally think I'm gonna keep it forever. And I'm just gonna put this dotted note pages. This dotted note pages is very thick. So this is how my final look of my notebook, guys. So please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell on my channel so you can watch more of my videos. Bye, guys!